Hello everyone and welcome to Rebooting Master Science. This is a brand new channel where I, Dr. Sasmita Tripathi, a postdoctoral researcher and freelance writer on international studies, will start this inaugural session with a discussion about this channel and how this channel will benefit you. Before we start discussion, I have to share something very important with you. I personally believe that if one is knowledgeable and by using this knowledge becomes successful all alone, then that is selfish. However, since our childhood, we are taught to spread the knowledge. Remember, the more you share your knowledge, the more you will be beneficial. So it's a small effort to whatever developments going on in the arena of political science to inform and update you through this channel. When we discuss about this channel, we have three questions. One, what is Master Science? Second, why to reboot Master Science? And finally, why I named this channel like this. Now we continue this discussion with the question, what is Master Science? The Greek philosopher Aristotle, who is also known as the father of political science, named it as Master Science because of two reasons. Politics dominates whole aspects of life from which all other practical sciences emerged. Secondly, it was the master's science. In ancient Greece, the society was divided between masters and slaves were legally prohibited to take part in politics, which was the exclusive domain of the citizens, the masters. That's why Aristotle named it as master science. Now the second question, why to reboot master science? Before we discuss about rebooting master science, one need to know what is rebooting. When our computer window is running slowly or there is any software problem, then what do? We just shut it down and restart. And this process of shutting down and restart is known as rebooting. In the context of political science also, despite being considered as master science, not many are interested in the subject, nor they study the discipline out of any curiosity or passion. That may be due to the misplaced fear that there are only limited career opportunities in the subject. Maybe students and their parents are unaware about the unending career opportunities in the political science, or maybe partly due to the failure of our universities and colleges to equip students with unique skills needed for a technological driven and market oriented world. So, this is the real time, guys. The need of the hour is to do a sincere effort to make political science the real master science by making it more interesting and imaginative, more informative and well researched, understanding from Indian political tradition and perspective, and sensitize and communicate the value of political science by exploring the unending career opportunities in the subject. These are the reasons why I named this channel like this. Also, these are the objectives of this channel. The second part of the discussion is dealing with how this channel will benefit you. In this part, we discussed about the focus and coverage area of this channel. Taking a right decision in the right time is very important. Even a correct decision is wrong when it's too late. So, I will try to inform and update you with the latest developments in correct time. Now come to the first focus area, which is career opportunities with master science. There are great career opportunities in political science in the area of teaching, research, civil services, think tanks, non-governmental organizations, regional and international organizations, law, journalism and mass communication, etc., which many of us are not aware of. The main effort of this channel would be to let you know how you can make a successful career in any of these areas. The next focus area will be scholarship and funding opportunities in India and abroad. Funding organizations like University Grants Commission, Indian Council of Social Science Research, United States India Educational Foundation, Commonwealth Scholarship Commission, Shastri Indo-Canadian Institute, the Australian Leadership and Endeavour Awards, like so many institutions, offer various types of fellowships and funding opportunities for studying and conducting research in political science for both students and faculties. In further videos, we would have separate discussion on each funding opportunity. The next focus area will be current issues and affairs. Knowledge about the day-to-day incidents and events around us are helpful not only in updating ourselves but also prove beneficial in all competitive and entrance exams and also while appearing for the interview. This channel will therefore cover important current issues and affairs happening both India and the world. The next focus area is discipline specific and syllabus oriented lectures. Political science constitutes an important section of the UPSC and state civil services exams general studies papers. Questions about Indian constitution, polity, governance, international relations and current events on national and international importance are asked in both prelims and main exams. Guys, through this channel, we will try to enhance one's general knowledge and help to score better marks in the above said exams. We also in this channel try to discuss about syllabus oriented lectures on NET, JRF and also on graduation and post-graduation courses of different universities. The next focus area is subject related activities and resources. Guys, there is a common problem among students that they don't have timely information on subject related developments like conference dates, paper contribution to journals, etc. Upcoming conference alerts, call for publication in peer-reviewed journals and magazines, announcement for fellowships and teaching positions, timely information about research project deadlines and teaching positions, and participation in research methodology courses and training and capacity building programs will be a regular feature of this channel. What are you waiting for? Comment below and let me know about your problems, whatever it is, because that will help me to decide what topics will be focused on in future videos. I will be waiting for your comments, and while doing that, don't forget to like my channel. This is a long requested channel and will make career videos regularly. So once again guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.